Hi everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Marceline here. Thank you all for your love and your support. I am gonna be making some Good Friday breakfast for my sister. She's been here with me for a while and I haven't fed her, I haven't cooked. She came down to support me and my husband at my brother-in-law's funeral, and then tragedy in our family, so I haven't really got a chance to treat her right. But we have to eat something, so I'm gonna make her some fried dumplings and some ackee and saltfish. So thank you for everyone that has been reaching out to me, for sending all your condolences on Facebook, YouTube, wherever. Thank you all so much, and we really appreciate it. All right, this is not a set recipe or ingredients or anything. I'm just making a video at this point. All right, so I have 2.5 cups of flour in here. We're just making a small batch. I'm gonna add some baking powder, about 2 teaspoons baking powder. Sometimes I add milk powder in my dumpling. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna add a little milk powder, salt, maybe about ½ teaspoon salt, and I'm gonna add a little butter, maybe about 1.5 teaspoon butter. I'm gonna use some water from the fridge. I like to add a little sugar in my dumpling, not a lot. You don't have to add any if you don't want to. I have several methods of frying dumpling and this is just one of them. So whether it's brown or white sugar, just add maybe a tablespoon, or don't add any if you don't want it. So I'm just gonna wash my hands because I don't like to use spoon to make my dumplings. I like to use my hands. Just gonna combine all of this: sugar, salt, a little butter, baking powder, and then I'm gonna gradually add my water until my dough is formed. I'm gonna fry her some plantains, get her to eat something, and a little ackee and saltfish. And have my dough here. It's really nice and soft. It's not dry. See, you can see it's nice and soft, and I'm gonna put it one side to rest. Always let my dough rest before I fry my dumplings. I'm gonna just cover it with a damp paper towel. I'm gonna throw this towel over it and let it sit and rest while I cook my ackee and my saltfish. So on my way back from North Carolina, we stopped at a place in Atlanta. It's an international farmers market and they sell Caribbean. They sell a lot of Caribbean food, and I got me some saltfish. So I'm gonna take out a small piece. Don't want a lot. I don't want a lot. And when I'm making ackee and saltfish, the ackee must be the star of the show for me. I don't like too much saltfish in it. So I'm gonna rinse the excess salt and then add it to my boiling water. Just gonna add my saltfish to boil and then cut up my veggies. So I have here some scallion from the back garden, some onions, I'm going to add some scotch bonnet pepper. Just add a piece of each color to give the pot some color. Both of us don't mind pepper, so for some people they like to use tomato. I'm not a fan of having tomato in my ackee, but if that's your thing, you can go ahead and add it. I really don't like it. I feel like the tomato take away the taste of the ackee, but some people like it, and it's just a matter of preference. Adding some bell peppers. I'm gonna get my plantain ready. So when my saltfish started boiling, I throw that water off and I pour some fresh water on it and let it finish cook, just to get out the excess salt. So I've took out the bone, as much bone as possible. I'm just gonna break it up in my desired pieces. I'm using the canned ackee. I like to just drain off the brine that it's in and just rinse it off with some hot water. So just pour it in the hot water for a second just to rinse off that brine taste. And I saute on my spaghetti. And I'm doing it on a low to medium temperature so that my vegetables don't burn. Now I'm gonna add some of my saltfish. Add a little black pepper. Just give this a minute to fry up, and then I add my ackee. So I'm gonna pour my ackee in. Add a little more black pepper, and then I'm just gonna let it simmer on low heat. And I like to just cover it down on low heat until I'm ready to remove it. Alright, we're back with our dumplings. See the dough, when you let the dough rest, it's nice and soft but pliable. Alright, so we're gonna make all of them and place them on a plate, and then we'll head over to the stove. I'm gonna lightly dust with flour so that it doesn't stick. Roll it into a ball. Place it there. Pinch, tuck, and roll, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll them off camera and come back. So to make these style dumpling, you just wanna dust your hand with some flour, roll it like a noodle. When you reach a certain length, you're gonna tie it in a knot. Just fold it under. Tie it in a knot. Make sure this part is secure. You can make them smaller if you want. I'm just going to test my oil by adding a piece of the dough. Drop it in there. You can see the oil is hot, but it's not too hot. The dumpling has rolled over and is floating, so my dumplings are ready to go in. A little more roll. Drop it in there. So the amount of oil that you use, it all depending on the person. Some people like to shallow fry their dumpling, I like to have sufficient amount of oil. Sometimes I cover my dumpling and I deep fry them and it won't soak up the oil. I promise you, once you have the right temperature oil, your dumpling will be fine. I'm frying them slowly but surely. I have this on medium heat. As soon as your dumplings are golden brown, you want to remove them. Last but not least, I'm gonna fry my plantains, and you know you have to watch these. Can't take your eyes off them. And use a fork to add them to your pot and don't follow me. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. She's our only source of joy right now. Our only source of joy. Look. Say hi. Say hi, Facebook. Hi, YouTube. Don't speak to my phone, you know. Say hi, Facebook. She can't eat, you see. Say hi, Facebook. Hi, YouTube. She want the food. You can't eat, man. Alright, that's it, guys. We're just gonna chill, talk, and remember our cousin in a good light. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your Easter. Bye. Can you see the dumpling? The lighting out here bright. No, sir. Here, fry dumpling.